So today we are going to learn about Indra, the dry chili seller. The next para we are going to learn. Indra, aged 36 years, has been selling dry chilies in Santas for many years. So this Indra is a person who will be selling dry chilies. He's selling those dry chili. He's doing that for work from many years, and his age is 36 years. She belonged to Katangur village, which is about. So Indra is a woman. Her age is 36 years, and she's doing this dry chili seller work. Means she's doing that business from many years, and she belongs to Katangur village, which is about 50 kilometers from Chotupal. From Chotupal, it is 50 kilometers away. She's studied up to 10th class. Means Indra, she's there, no? She studied up to 10th class. She has a daughter and a son studying in government school. So she have one daughter and son. They are studying in government school. She learned this business from her father. Her husband also does the same business. So she learned this business and techniques from her father. And her husband is also doing the same work. He's also with this dry chili seller. In a week, she travels to 4 weekly markets and to 3 large villages to sell dry chilies. So in 1 week, she'll be traveling to 4 weekly markets, like Monday market or Friday, Thursday, Saturday markets, like that. 4 weekly markets she'll be moving. She'll be going in. She'll be placing her dry chili there, and 3 large villages, means very big large villages, she'll be going and she'll be placing her chilies there. This is her weekly itinerary. So her work is like, for the entire week she'll be doing this work. She'll be selling the dry chili in 3 large villages and 4 weekly markets. See, they have given the route, right, where she'll be selling and all. Indra gets up early every day, and after completing all her domestic chores, starts her the day's Santa village with the chili bags. So as soon as Indra gets up, she'll be getting up early in the morning. She'll be completing all the domestic works like cleaning, cooking and all, and she starts for the Santa to sell chili bags. She'll be carrying her chili bags to place in the market. Indra, along with other women, gets into a lorry to transport the chili bags to the Santa. So along with Indra, other women also get into lorry. They board a lorry, they take lorry, and they'll be placing all the chili bags in the lorry to reach Santa. She procures the dry chili from a wholesale traders in Khammam over phone. So she'll be calling and ordering them that I want these many bags of chili, dry chili, you have to send me. She'll be ordering the wholesale trader in Khammam. The wholesale sailors comes to her village every Saturday to collect the money. So every Saturday the wholesale seller is there, no, who will be purchasing her dry chili, who will be giving her dry chili. He'll be coming on Saturday and taking the money from her. She starts selling the dry chili around 10 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. Morning 10 a.m. she starts selling the chili. By evening 7 she'll be closing. She'll stop by 7 p.m. While selling chili, like all other traders, Indra has to squat on the floor for a very long time, which is a strenuous job. Strenuous job means she have to sit on the floor, she have to get up, she have to give the dry chili, whatever the customer asks, she have to answer. This is not an easy job, right? This is a very tough job. She have to do that. For 6 days in a week, she has to travel to different places from her village. So for 6 days, for every day in a week, 7 days, 6 days she have to travel to sell to different places to sell those dry chili from her village. She sells chilies in her village only on Saturday. So by on Saturday she'll be selling dry chili in her village. She also pays the wholesaler on that day. So on Saturday the wholesaler will come for collection of money. On that day she'll be paying money to him. Indra earns about rupees 200 to 300 per day. So she'll be earning 200 to 300 rupees per day, means for one day. There is no guarantee that she will get good quality chilies all the time. So suppose sometimes depending on the uh, climate and all, like if there is rainfall, while these chilies are brought by wholesaler, they may get drained in the rainfall, they may get spoiled, or due to this package transportation and all, sometimes if they get damage in those chilies, she'll be not having good quality chilies all the time. Since she purchases chilies by ordering over the phone, she'll be ordering on the phone, right? I want these many bags and all. She sometimes get low quality chili and incurs losses. Means she personally will not go and purchase. Then what happened, that wholesale trader who is there, no, he'll be putting whatever. Sometimes he'll be putting the damaged chilies also in that bag and he'll be selling. Then what happens? Indra will be getting uh, like spoiled chilies. Due to that, the quality and the quantity of the chilies will be reduced. She'll be having loss. To do this business, Indra borrowed rupees 30,000 from a self-help group in her village of which she is a member. She pays back her loan in installment at the rate of rupees 1200 per month. So Indra borrows money from self-help group, 30,000 rupees she borrowed in her village, which she is a member, means self-help group. In that group she is also one of the member, and she borrowed rupees 30,000 from that group for doing the business, and uh, she paybacks her loan in installment. So she'll be paying the amount, borrowed amount, in the installments, means whatever amount, whenever she have money she'll be paying that in rupees 1200 per month. She'll be paying the installment. She feels that borrowing from the self-help group is far better than borrowing from money lender, as they charge high rates of interest, rupees 3 per 100 per month. So she's feeling that taking loan or borrowing loan from self-help group is good by compared to borrowing money from money lenders or other persons, because they'll be charging more amount of interest. They'll be charging 3 rupees for 100 for 1 month. In these self-help groups, she pays only rupees 25 paisa per 100 per month. So here she'll be paying interest for self-help group also, but only 25 paisa for 100 rupee, and that too for month. This was made possible due to government scheme of Pavala Vaddi for low income group. So government have introduced a scheme called Pavala Vaddi, means from self help group they can take loan, but for low interest, only 25 pies interest. Besides agriculture produce like chili, a large number of industrial produce like cloth, ready-made goods, pots, utensils, tools, baskets, plastic items, etc. are sold by the small traders in Santas. Not only vegetables, fruits, like different other products like baskets, tools, cloth, pots, and all different types of items like plastic items are also sold by small traders in Santas. All such traders pay rupees 10 each to the panchayat as a tax. So 10 rupees is paid as a tax for panchayat by the small traders. There are separate Santas. If you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.